Let me ask the Deputy President to come forward and invite the President. He normally climbs Mount Kenya.
Your Excellency, the President of the Republic of Kenya, and the greatest risk taker in this year's Safari Rally, the Honorable William Samoei RUTO, all protocols observed. Your Excellency, for me, the Safari Rally is very nostalgic. Many years, long time ago, this was the only event that provided recreation in the village. We would wait the whole year for the Easter weekend. And when we see what is happening here, we recollect with nostalgia those great good days. Your Excellency, Kenyans complained very seriously to us after what they considered to have been an action that should not have taken place. As much as Kenyans agree that you have the freedom to do what you want, you carry the aspiration of 50 million Kenyans. So Kenyans were asking, who is that who put our president on a safari rally car at a speed of 300 kilometers per hour? So Your Excellency, I have instructions from the people of Kenya to make sure next year you just watch like the rest of us, because you carry the aspirations of 50 million Kenyans and you have a job to do in implementing the bottom-up economic transformation agenda. With those very many remarks, please, I request you to be upstanding and help me to usher in the President of the Republic of Kenya, Dr. William Samoei RUTO.